Hi, today I'm producing XIAOMI 12S Ultra and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. Now first, let's just check that by double press to the power key we just activated the camera application. And if you wanna, for example, use the torch by double press to the power key button, open first the settings, then scroll down to additional settings, click to gesture shortcuts. Here you'll see launch camera. Tap on the switcher to turn off the camera up just by double press to power key button. Open the torch, turn on torch, click on the switcher, and now with the double press to the power key we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.